Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I will do the design and assembly of BenchVice, and as you can see, I'll show you the BenchVice. So this is the final assembly model. It contains at least 11 parts it has, starting from the base and then moving on to the further parts. So we're gonna start the building it by parts, and once the part is done, we'll assemble it over assembly design, and let's see what we can do here. Start with the first part, mechanical design, part design. I'll call it as base. We can select the YZ plane, sketching. I'm gonna do this part. So this one over here, let's do it. Give the dimensions. Horizontal, vertical, from here to here. 144, 16, 36, 16, 16, 10. Exit the workbench. Yeah, padding up to 64. So go for pad. Okay. So I'm gonna select the mirrored extent. So 64 by 2. Perfect. After that, we have to do this part, upper from here to here. So select this face, sketching, take 2 circles, give the dimension, radius 16, is it? Yeah, radius 16 and 16. And 16. Then select this and this edge, go for tangency. Let's select a line, start from here, and then project this line and go for fillet of radius 3, and make this line and this circle tangency. Then repeat this on the other side and go for fillet between this and this of radius control C. And this one and this one 3, and do the tangency for this one as well. After that it's 50, right? So we'll see it. 50 is the angle. We did it 3 arc, 16, 16, perfect. Next we have to delete this part of the circle and exit the workbench. Go for padding, reverse direction. How much is it? It's 22. Okay, looks good. Next we have to do this lower part. So with the face sketch, go for 1, 2, 3. Okay, select everything and mirror it. After that, join these two. Let's see how much we have to give the dimensions. 7, 32, 16. And this one is 16. This one is 7. Also, this is 22. 32, 16, 7. Let's see how much this one is. Okay, this is 16 one. And exit the workbench. You're gonna pad it, pocket it up to last, preview it. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, looks good only. Let's see what we can do with this. I think we need to make 2 holes, 4 holes actually, of 6 dia and 10 depth. So for that, select this face, go for sketching. We can do direct holes anywhere, click on it anywhere, position is sketch. Now what we have to do is, okay, we have to give the, how much is that, 38, and from there to there 10. So from here to here it is 10. Exit the workbench. How much is the dia? 6 dia and 10 depth. 6 dia, 10 depth. We can do the rectangular pattern at a distance of 70 and 22. Okay, so we utilize the rectangular pattern. So what we did is, we did first hole here, then we used the rectangular pattern and gave it in the first direction 70 and the second direction 44. So you're gonna get all the holes at once. The first part is done. Let's move on to the next part. Save. We'll create a new folder. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure comment down below if you have any doubts, and like and share, and see you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Peace.